just wait until the sky was falling. Held my breath to every single step.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So we are on day 3 in Korea. Sunny afternoon in Korea. Hi Shani! At ayun na nga guys, ay pangatlong araw na namin sa South Korea at ngayon ay nasa Hongdae area kami at naglalakad papuntang subway station kasi ang aming Airbnb accommodation ay malapit lamang sa subway. At ang kagandahan lang talaga sa Hongdae na area ay sentro siya ng Seoul. So ngayon, heading na po kami papuntang subway station kasi ang aming itinerary for today is palaces. So, i-visit namin ang pinaka-famous na palace kung makikita ninyo sa mga K-drama, ang mga Joseon era. So, first stop natin ay Gyeongbokgung Palace. Ang travel time lang nito from subway station, from Hongdae, is only 15 minutes. So, no worries guys, kung pupunta kayo ng mga palace, very convenient kasi nga, pwede nyo siyang i-train. And of course guys, pwede din po kayong mag-bus, mag-taxi, any means of transportation. Pero kami, ang pinili namin ay ang mag-train kasi nga convenient siya, iwas sa traffic, and of course, cheaper pa ang pamasahe. And ito na po tayo guys sa bukana ng palace. Isa ito sa mga sikat at nakikita ninyo sa Korean drama na mga scenes. So ito po yung parang Joseon dynasty nila. And of course, ang entrance fee pala dito guys is ranging from 3,000 to 3,500 Korean won. And additional information lang po guys, so if you're planning to visit any of the palaces here in South Korea, I suggest that you rent a hanbok. So that is a Korean traditional dress, famous na makikita din ninyo sa mga K-drama scenes. And of course, if you want to rent the traditional dress, so it ranges from 15,000 to 20,000 or more. So that will be maximum of 2 hours. And if you want a premium or a classy one, so it ranges from 30,000 Korean won to 35,000 Korean won. It's maximum of 4 hours already. And if you plan on a full day, so may presyo din pong medyo pricey na din, but it's not bad to experience also. So ayan na guys, malawak po talaga siya, and mostly ang mga scenes po pala sa Dynamite music video ay na-capture din po dito sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. So napakaganda siya. And of course guys, after we visited the Gyeongbokgung Palace, so we went also to the famous Hanok Village. Old village po siya, and makikita nyo po yung mga old houses din po dito. It's a touristic area, makitid po ang daan, pero grabe talaga, dinudumog talaga ng mga tao dito. And ayun na nga guys, free admission po yung village. Wala po kayong babayaran ni singkong duling. So feel free po kayong maglibot. And very accessible po siya sa subway station, and pwede din kayong mag-bus. So ang kagandahan ng village na ito is Instagrammable spot siya. Kasi nga, ang gaganda ng style ng bahay, lumang-luma. Pero alam mo yun, it's a residential area. So may nagbabantay talaga to secure the area na wag mag-ingay. Kasi madaming nakatira. So this ends my vlog guys. So hope you visit also South Korea and some of the famous places there. Thank you.